Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure wealth management with Goldman Sachs, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Goldman Sachs wealth management website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Set a secure password for your account and confirm it. Check your email for a verification link and click it to activate your account. Log in to your new Goldman Sachs account. Navigate to the Wealth Management section of the website. Review the various services offered, such as investment management, retirement planning, and estate planning. Select the service that best fits your financial goals. Schedule a meeting with a Goldman Sachs advisor through the online portal. Prepare for your meeting by outlining your financial objectives and any questions you may have. During the meeting, discuss your financial situation and investment goals with the advisor. Ask about different investment strategies and their associated risks. Review the proposed solutions provided by your advisor. Decide on the services you would like to proceed with. Complete any necessary paperwork to initiate the services. Fund your account by transferring assets or making a deposit. Monitor your investment portfolio regularly through the online dashboard. Stay in touch with your advisor for ongoing support and adjustments to your wealth management strategy. Review your financial plan at least once a year to ensure it aligns with your changing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.